Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is application, a versatile B1 level noun that has two primary meanings. It can refer to a formal request, such as when you submit an application for a job or school, or it can describe a software program, like the applications you use on your phone or computer. Let's start by diving into its meanings. In the first sense, application means a formal request, often in writing, for something specific. For example, I submitted an application for the university's summer program. In the second sense, it refers to software designed to perform a particular task. For instance, this weather application provides accurate forecasts for the week. Now, let's look at some synonyms. For the formal request meaning, words like petition, request, and submission can work as substitutes. Here's an example. Her request for an extension was approved. For the software meaning, synonyms include app, program, and software. For instance, the photo editing app one downloaded is amazing. On the other hand, let's explore a few antonyms. For the request meaning, refusal, denial, and rejection offer a contrast. An example would be, his denial of the loan application was disappointing. For the software meaning, there isn't a direct antonym, but you might think of terms like manual process or non-digital tools for situations where no software is involved. Now, let's see how application fits into everyday conversations. Imagine you're talking about career plans. Have you finished your job application yet? Or discussing tech with a friend. Which application do you recommend for managing my to-do list? Here are a few more sentence examples to help you understand its usage. The scholarship application process is competitive. This travel application helps you find the best flight deals. Her application for a new passport was processed quickly. I need to install an application that helps with graphic design. To wrap things up, today we explored the word application, which can mean either a formal request or a software program. We looked at its synonyms, antonyms, and everyday usage. I hope this helps you feel more confident using the word in your own conversations. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word application and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.